Hi, and welcome to DIY Craft Club. Today I'm taking a closer look at a set of BIC marking pens. I hope this review helps you decide if these pens are right for you. This is a set of 8 high pigment permanent markers. They are non-toxic, acid-free, and can be used on many surfaces like glass, metal, plastic, paper, and damp surfaces. These markers have an ultra-fine tip, so they will be good for drawing or lettering. The package doesn't say exactly what size they are, but if you want a comparison, I think they're equal to the Sakura Micron 05 size. So I'm just going to swatch them out to see how they work. I'm using a Scribbles That Matter A5 bullet journal today. You'll find that they will work differently depending on what type of paper you're using. The first test is to see how smooth they write and if they will bleed through the paper. So I'm finding that they are okay for smoothness. I'll give them a 3 out of 5 for that. But what I did notice was that the Blue Skies Blue and the Fandango Pink did have some spreading. And now I'm doing a dryness test to see how long they will take to dry and if they smudge. And for these, I'm going to give them a 5-star mark because they really dried instantly. There was no waiting at all. So if you need a super quick drying marker, you'll like that a lot. And then another test I like to do is the highlighter test, just to see how they will react or smudge. And again, for these, I'll give them a 5-star because each color stayed put without any smearing at all. But they did have major ghosting on the other side, so you most likely won't be wanting to use these for your bullet journals or planners. I did, however, love the way they colored. They were pretty smooth on this plain white paper, and I could color in this rose without the markers like leaving those wavy lines that sometimes you get with markers. So if you make your own stickers or doodles, they'll be great for that. And the colors are nice and bold, really high pigment colors. And then I colored in this quick sketch onto some glass, and the colors turned out really great and came off easily with some rubbing alcohol. And this is how it looks on metal. I drew a little butterfly on a pendant tray, and the colors ended up being really nice. I hope this video helps so that you can make a better buying decision whether these are right for you. This set will go into one of our craft box giveaways. If you would like to be entered in our giveaways, just visit our website and click the Become a Member link. Till next time, take care.